Did you know that if you don't park your money in the right place today, by the end of 2026 you will actually be poorer in real terms? Yes, you heard that right. Most people think you only lose money when the stock market crashes. But the reality is, your wealth is quietly leaking away right now sitting in the wrong savings accounts, getting eaten by hidden bank fees and eroding under inflation. In this video, I am breaking down the top 4 financial strategies for 2026 to stop these leaks and actually grow your wealth. And stick around for number 3, it's an AI tool that will put your finances on autopilot. Welcome to Future Finance Lab, let's get into it. First up is the biggest trend of 2026, loud budgeting. It used to be embarrassing to say, I can't afford that right now. But the rules have flipped. Loud budgeting is all about being vocal and transparent with your friends and family about your financial boundaries. If your friends are planning a $200 dinner, don't feel guilty. Be direct. Say, hey guys, I'm locking in my financial goals for 2026, so I'm gonna pass on this one. We need to kill the FOMO, the fear of missing out. When you stop impulse buying that new phone you don't need, or the streaming subscription you never watch, you immediately break the cycle of losing money. Let's talk about strategy number 2. We saw high rates in 2025, but in 2026, rates are starting to cool off. What does this mean for you? If your emergency fund is sitting in a standard checking account earning 0.01%, you are technically losing money because inflation is still hovering around 2 to 3%. The action plan. You still have a window of opportunity. Look for high-yield savings accounts or CDs that are still offering those higher rates. Lock them in now before the banks drop them further. Don't let your cash sit idle. Put it to work. As you know, here at Future Finance Lab, we sit at the intersection of technology and money. So strategy number 3 is, use AI to stop the leaks. Humans make mistakes. We forget to cancel free trials, we miss bill payments, and we get hit with late fees. In 2026, if you are doing manual budgeting, you are already behind. You need to use AI-driven tools that scan your bank accounts to tell you exactly where you are wasting money and which zombie subscriptions are still charging you. Automate your savings. Set it up so that the moment your paycheck hits, AI automatically transfers 20% into your investment or savings account. If the money isn't in your checking account to begin with, you can't accidentally spend it. And finally, the most critical point. If you have credit card debt, do not even think about investing yet. Here is the math. Credit cards charge you 20 to 25% APR. The stock market historically returns about 10%. If you are investing while holding high-interest debt, you are mathematically losing the game. For 2026, focus entirely on the Avalanche Method. List your debts and attack the one with the highest interest rate first. This plugs the biggest leak in your financial ship. Remember guys, saving money is just as important as earning it. Follow these 4 steps starting today to make 2026 your most profitable year yet. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on AI and the future of money, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Future Finance Lab. Let me know in the comments, which of these 4 strategies are you starting today? I'll see you in the next video.